Hi, my name is Melinda. Today we go through how to cleanse your skin with Luminesce cleanser and how to use it properly. So generally when I'm at home, I just flush water over my face or overall so my face get a bit wet, and then I put a little bit products on my hand. However, because I'm in a salon situation, I can't dig my head into the sink, so I'm just going to use the two disposable towel. So you know, just do what you need to do at home. I find it very easy to flush the water on. So first of all, we go to wet your face first. So what I'll do, I just work around, and I've got to avoid my eye, but normally I will work right through. Like when you flush the water in, then you will take everything out. Okay, so now my face are wet. I'll probably do it one more time to make sure it's really wet. So the face are now wet. Now here, this is what you need. You just need to twist. You just need to twist the cap to release the gel, cleanser gel out. Now this is that mud that you need for your gel. Can you see it? Okay, so it's just little. Now what I do, I just work it along my hand and just dab. Work in a circulation and just work through my skin. Now I don't have any issue. I don't have any issue with this product around my eye at all. I use it to remove my eye makeup. But today I'm not going to remove my eye makeup. So I'm just work it very thoroughly around the area need to be clean. Now it's nice and slimy and it's nice and clean. Just wet your face again. You can flash the lukewarm water on your face and then get a towel to finish it off. So what I do, I just get a towel. See, all my makeup are gone. All the foundation just comes right off. I find with this cleanser, with the Luminesce cleanser, I don't have to clean twice. All my makeup, even though like very heavy mascara, will just come out. So yeah, many other products that we use in the salon, we need to clean twice. But these is just so awesome. It just clean in deep. But apart from that, it's not taking. You know how when you clean your face and you feel very tight. Well, with the Luminesce cleanser, you don't feel that. It doesn't trip out all your natural moisture. So it leaves your skin very nice and soft. So I really like the cleanser. And it's one of the products that all the clients love. So yeah, so this is a cleanser. This is the product that you will introduce last, don't forget. So yeah, just knock it up, tie it up. And it's done. Thank you very much. You enjoy your cleanser and see how. Let me know some feedback how you like it. Have a good day. Bye bye.